بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
The revelation of the book is from Allah, the most honorable, the wise.
إنا أنزلنا إليك الكتاب بالحق فاعبد الله مخلصا له الدين.
We have indeed revealed this book to you, O beloved, with truth. Therefore, worship Allah as being His devoted bondsman.
ألا لله الدين الخالص والذين اتخذوا من دونه أولياء ما نعبدهم إلا ليقربونا إلى الله زلفى إن الله يحكم بينهم فيما هم فيه يختلفون إن الله لا يهدي من هو كاذب كفار.
Pay heed, worship is exclusively for Allah only. And those who have taken others as their helpers except Him, say, we worship them only so that they may bring us closer to Allah. Allah will judge between them regarding the matter in which they are disputing. Indeed, Allah does not guide the one who is a liar, extremely ungrateful.
لو أراد الله أن يتخذ ولدا لاصطفى مما يخلق ما يشاء سبحانه هو الله الواحد القهار.
Had Allah intended to take a son for Himself, so He would have chosen anyone from His creation. Purity is to Him, only He is Allah, the one, the dominant on all.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ألا هو العزيز الغفار.
He created the heavens and the earth with truth. He wraps the night over the day and wraps the day over the night. And He has subjected the sun and the moon. Each one moves for its appointed term. Pay heed, only He is the most honorable, the most forgiving.
خلقكم من نفس واحدة ثم جعل منها زوجها وأنزل لكم من الأنعام 8 أزواج يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق في ظلمات 3 ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك لا إله إلا هو فأنى تصرفون.
He created you from a single soul, and then from it created its spouse, and sent down for you 8 pairs of animals. He creates you in your mother's wombs, then from one sort of creation to another, in darkness threefold. This is Allah, your Lord. Only for Him is the kingdom. No one is to be worshipped except Him. So, where are you being turned to?
إن تكفروا فإن الله غني عنكم ولا يرضى لعباده الكفر وإن تشكروا يرضه لكم ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون إنه عليم الصدور.
If you become ungrateful, then know that indeed Allah is independent of you, and He does not like the ungratefulness of His bondsmen. And if you give thanks, so He likes it for you. And no burdened soul will bear the burden of another. You have to then return to your Lord, so He will inform you of what you used to do. Undoubtedly, He knows what is within the hearts.
وإذا مس الإنسان ضر دعا ربه منيبا إليه ثم إذا خوله نعمة منه نسي ما كان يدعو إليه من قبل وجعل لله أندادا ليضل عن سبيله قل تمتع بكفرك قليلا إنك من أصحاب النار.
And when some adversity reaches man, he calls upon his Lord, inclined only towards Him. Then when Allah grants him a favor from Himself, he forgets what he had besieged for earlier and appoints equals of Allah in order to mislead people from His way. Say you, O beloved, enjoy your disbelief for a few days. You are indeed of the dwellers of hell.
أَمَّنْ هُوَ قَانِتٌ آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ سَاجِدًا وَقَائِمًا يَحْذَرُ الْآخِرَةَ وَيَرْجُو رَحْمَةَ رَبِّهِ قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ إِنَّمَا يَتَذَكَّرُ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ.
Will he, whose moment of night pass in obedience while prostrating and standing, fearing the hereafter and hoping for the mercy of his Lord, be equal to the disobedient? Say you, O beloved, are those who know and who do not know equal? It is only the people of intellect who accept advice.
قُلْ يَا عِبَادِي الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّقُوا رَبَّكُمْ لِلَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا فِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةٌ وَأَرْضُ اللَّهِ وَاسِعَةٌ إِنَّمَا يُوَفَّى الصَّابِرُونَ أَجْرَهُم بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ.
Say you, O beloved, O my bondsmen who have believed, fear your Lord. For those who do good deeds is goodness in this world, and Allah's earth is spacious. It is the patient ones who will be paid their reward in full without measure.
قُلْ إِنِّي أُمِرْتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ اللَّهَ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ الدِّينَ.
Say you, O beloved, I am commanded that I must worship Allah as only being His devoted bondsman.
وَأُمِرْتُ لِأَنْ أَكُونَ أَوَّلَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ.
And I am commanded that I be the first to submit to the order of Allah.
قُلْ إِنِّي أَخَافُ إِنْ عَصَيْتُ رَبِّي عَذَابَ يَوْمٍ عَظِيمٍ.
Say you, O beloved, if hypothetically I was to disobey my Lord, I too would fear the punishment of the great day of resurrection.
قُلِ اللَّهَ أَعْبُدُ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ دِينِي.
Say you, O beloved, I worship only Allah solely as His devoted bondsman.
فَاعْبُدُوا مَا شِئْتُم مِّن دُونِهِ قُلْ إِنَّ الْخَاسِرِينَ الَّذِينَ خَسِرُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَهْلِيهِمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَلَا ذَلِكَ هُوَ الْخُسْرَانُ الْمُبِينُ.
So, you may worship whoever you want other than Him. Say you, O beloved, the worst losers are those who lost themselves and their family on the day of resurrection. Yes, certainly, only this is clear loss.
لهم من فوقهم ظلل من النار ومن تحتهم ظلل ذلك يخوف الله به عباده يا عباد فاتقون.
Above them are mountains of fire and beneath them are mountains of fire. With this, Allah warns His bondsmen, O my bondsmen, fear me.
والذين اجتنبوا الطاغوت أن يعبدوها وأنابوا إلى الله لهم البشرى فبشر عباد.
And those who refrain from idol worshipping and incline towards Allah, only for them is glad tidings. So give glad tidings to those bondsmen of mine.
الذين يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه أولئك الذين هداهم الله وأولئك هم أولو الألباب.
Whoever listens attentively and follows the best of it, it is these people whom Allah has guided, and it is these who have intelligence.
أفمن حق عليه كلمة العذاب أفأنت تنقذ من في النار.
So, will the one upon whom the word of punishment has proven true be equal to those who are forgiven? Never. So will you save the one who deserves the fire by guiding him?
لكن الذين اتقوا ربهم لهم غرف من فوقها غرف مبنية تجري من تحتها الأنهار وعد الله لا يخلف الله الميعاد.
But those who fear their Lord, for them are upper chambers with more upper chambers built above them, rivers flowing beneath them. A promise of Allah. Allah does not break promise.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فسلكه ينابيع في الأرض ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يجعله حطاما إن في ذلك لذكرى لأولي الألباب.
Did you not see that it is Allah who sent down water from the sky, then with it made springs in the earth, then with it produces crops of various colors, then it dries up, so you see it has become yellow. He then breaks them into small pieces. Indeed, in this is a matter of paying attention for the people of intellect.
أفمن شرح الله صدره للإسلام فهو على نور من ربه فويل للقاسية قلوبهم من ذكر الله أولئك في ضلال مبين.
Thus, will the one whose chest Allah has opened for Islam, so he is upon a light from his Lord, be equal to the one who is stone-hearted? Never. Therefore, destruction is for those whose hearts have become hardened towards the remembrance of Allah. They are in open error.
الله نزل أحسن الحديث كتابا متشابها مثانية تقشعر منه جلود الذين يخشون ربهم ثم تلين جلودهم وقلوبهم إلى ذكر الله ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Allah has sent down the best of books, i.e., the Holy Quran, which is alike in excellence from beginning to end, the one with paired statements.
Due to it, the hairs on their bodies stand up for those who fear their Lord. Then their skins and hearts soften, motivated towards the remembrance of Allah. This is the guidance of Allah. He may guide whomsoever He wills with it, and whomever Allah causes to go astray, there is no one to guide him.
أفمن يتقي بوجهه سوء العذاب يوم القيامة وقيل للظالمين ذوقوا ما كنتم تكسبون.
So, will the one who will not find anything to shield him except his own face against the despicable punishment on the day of resurrection be equal to the one who attained salvation? Never. And it will be said to the transgressors, taste what you have earned.
كذب الذين من قبلهم فأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Those before them had belied, so the punishment came to them from a place they were unaware of.
فأذاقهم الله الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
So Allah made them taste the flavor of humiliation in the life of this world, and indeed the punishment of the hereafter is the most extreme. It would have been good for them if they knew.
ولقد ضربنا للناس في هذا القرآن من كل مثل لعلهم يتذكرون.
And we have indeed illustrated examples of all kinds in this Quran so that they may take heed.
قرآنا عربيا غير ذي عوج لعلهم يتقون.
This is the Quran of the Arabic language in which there is no deviation at all, that they may fear Allah.
ضرب الله مثلا رجلا فيه شركاء متشاكسون ورجلا سلما لرجل هل يستويان مثلا الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah illustrates an example, a slave having several bad-mannered masters as partners, owning this slave, and another slave belonging exclusively to one master. Are the two equal in condition? All praise is due to Allah. Rather, most of them know not.
إنك ميت وإنهم ميتون.
Indeed, you, O beloved, are to depart from this world, and they, the disbelievers, are to die also.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة عند ربكم تختصمون.
Then, O people, you will dispute before your Lord on the day of resurrection.
فمن أظلم ممن كذب على الله وكذب بالصدق إذ جاءه أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين.
So, who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah and belies the truth when it comes to him? Is the abode of the disbelievers not in hell?
والذي جاء بالصدق وصدق به أولئك هم المتقون.
And the one who has brought this truth and those who endorsed him, only these people are those who fear Allah.
لهم ما يشاءون عند ربهم ذلك جزاء المحسنين.
For them with their Lord is whatever they desire. This is the reward of the virtuous.
ليكفر الله عنهم أسوأ الذي عملوا ويجزيهم أجرهم بأحسن الذي كانوا يعملون.
In order that Allah may remove from them their worst deed and reward them for their best deed that they used to do.
أليس الله بكاف عبده ويخوفونك بالذين من دونه ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Is Allah not sufficient for His bondsmen? And they frighten you with those whom they worship other than Him, and whomever Allah causes to go astray, there is no one to guide him.
ومن يهد الله فما له من مضل أليس الله بعزيز ذي انتقام.
And no one can mislead to whomever Allah gives guidance. Is Allah not the most honorable, the owner of retribution?
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن الله قل أفرأيتم ما تدعون من دون الله إن أرادني الله بضر هل هن كاشفات ضره أو أرادني برحمة هل هن ممسكات رحمته قل حسبي الله عليه يتوكل المتوكلون.
And if you ask them, who has created the heavens and the earth? So they will definitely say, Allah. Say you, O beloved, what is your opinion regarding those whom you worship other than Allah? If Allah wills to cause me some hardship, so will they avert the hardship sent by Him? Or if He wills to have mercy upon me, so will they restrain His mercy? Say you, O beloved, Allah is sufficient for me. The people who trust must rely upon Him.
قل يا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل فسوف تعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, O my people, keep on working in your positions. I do my work, so you will soon come to know.
من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
Whom does that punishment come upon which will disgrace him? And whom does the punishment befall which will be everlasting?
إنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب للناس بالحق فمن اهتدى فلنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها وما أنت عليهم بوكيل.
We have indeed sent down this book, i.e., the Quran, to you with the truth in order to guide people. Hence, whosoever attained guidance, so it is for his own good, and whoever has gone astray, he has only strayed for his own harm, and you are not at all responsible for them.
الله يتوفى الأنفس حين موتها والتي لم تمت في منامها فيمسك التي قضى عليها الموت ويرسل الأخرى إلى أجل مسمى إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
Allah takes away the souls at the time of their death, and also those who do not die during their sleep. Then He withholds those on whom He has passed the decree of death and leaves the other till an appointed term. There are definitely signs in this for people who reflect.
أم اتخذوا من دون الله شفعاء قل أولو كانوا لا يملكون شيئا ولا يعقلون.
Have they chosen intercessors against Allah? Say you, O beloved, will they intercede even if they do not own anything, nor do they have intellect?
قل لله الشفاعة جميعا له ملك السماوات والأرض ثم إليه ترجعون.
Say you, O beloved, only Allah has control of every intercession. Only for Him is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and then it is towards Him you are to return.
وإذا ذكر الله وحده اشمأزت قلوب الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وإذا ذكر الذين من دونه إذا هم يستبشرون.
And when one Allah Allah is mentioned, the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter become diminished with resentment. And when those other than Him, i.e., false deities, are mentioned, thereupon they rejoice.
قل اللهم فاطر السماوات والأرض عالم الغيب والشهادة أنت تحكم بين عبادك فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
Submit you, O beloved, O Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the knower of the unseen and the seen, you will judge between your bondsmen regarding the matters in which they used to differ.
ولو أن للذين ظلموا ما في الأرض جميعا ومثله معه لافتدوا به من سوء العذاب يوم القيامة وبدا لهم من الله ما لم يكونوا يحتسبون.
And if all that is in the earth was for the transgressors, and the likes of it with it as well, so they would have given it in exchange for freedom from the great punishment on the day of resurrection. And a matter which they had never imagined appeared to them from their Lord.
وَبَدَا لَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا كَسَبُوا وَحَاقَ بِهِمْ مَا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And the evils they earned appeared to them, and the same thing, i.e., punishment, came upon them which they used to mock.
فَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ ضُرٌّ دَعَانَا ثُمَّ إِذَا خَوَّلْنَاهُ نِعْمَةً مِنَّا قَالَ إِنَّمَا أُوتِيتُهُ عَلَى عِلْمٍ بل هي فتنة ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Thus, when some hardship reaches man, so he calls upon us. Then later, when we bestow a favor upon him, so he says, I attained this because of some knowledge. Rather, it is a test, but most of them have no knowledge.
قد قالها الذين من قبلهم فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Those before them also said the same, so their earnings did not benefit them at all.
فأصابهم سيئات ما كسبوا والذين ظلموا من هؤلاء سيصيبهم سيئات ما كسبوا وما هم بمعجزين.
Therefore, the evils of their earnings befell them, and those who are unjust amongst them, soon the evils of their earnings will befall them, and they cannot escape from the grip.
أولم يعلموا أن الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Do they not know that Allah increases sustenance for whomever He wills and also restricts it? Indeed, in this are signs for the people who believe.
قل يا عبادي الذين أسرفوا على أنفسهم لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله إن الله يغفر الذنوب جميعا إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.
Say you, O beloved, O those bondsmen of mine who have committed excess upon their own souls by committing sins, do not lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. Indeed, only He is the most forgiving, the most merciful.
وأنيبوا إلى ربكم وأسلموا له من قبل أن يأتيكم العذاب ثم لا تنصرون.
and turn towards your Lord and submit in His majestic court before this, that the punishment comes upon you, and then you may not be helped.
واتبعوا أحسن ما أنزل إليكم من ربكم من قبل أن يأتيكم العذاب بغتة وأنتم لا تشعرون.
And follow that, i.e., the Quran, the best of all, which has been sent down towards you from your Lord, before the punishment suddenly comes upon you whilst you are unaware.
أن تقول نفس يا حسرة على ما فرطت في جنب الله وإن كنت لمن الساخرين.
Lest a soul should say, Alas, my regret be on those shortcomings which I committed regarding Allah, and I indeed used to mock.
أو تقول لو أن الله هداني لكنت من المتقين.
Or it may say, If Allah had shown me the right path, so I would have been amongst those who fear Allah.
أو تقول حين ترى العذاب لو أن لي كرة فأكون من المحسنين.
Or it may say, when it looks at the punishment, somehow, if I could be sent back so that I may do good deeds.
بلى قد جاءتك آياتي فكذبت بها واستكبرت وكنت من الكافرين.
It will be said to him, Yes, why not? Verily, my signs came to you, so you belied them, and you were arrogant, and you were a disbeliever.
ويوم القيامة ترى الذين كذبوا على الله وجوههم مسودة أليس في جهنم مثوى للمتكبرين.
And you will see those on the day of resurrection who fabricated lie against Allah, that their faces are darkened. Is hell not an abode of the arrogant?
وينجي الله الذين اتقوا بمفازتهم لا يمسهم السوء ولا هم يحزنون.
And Allah will rescue the pious because of their place of salvation, i.e., paradise. Neither will the punishment touch them, nor shall they grieve.
الله خالق كل شيء وهو على كل شيء وكيل.
Allah is the creator of all things, and He is authoritative over all things.
له مقاليد السماوات والأرض والذين كفروا بآيات الله أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Only to Him belong the keys of the treasures of the heavens and the earth, and those who denied the verses of Allah, it is they who are at loss.
قل أفغير الله تأمروني أعبد أيها الجاهلون.
Say you, O beloved, so do you instruct me to worship other than Allah, i.e., false deities? O you ignorant ones.
ولقد أوحي إليك وإلى الذين من قبلك لئن أشركت ليحبطن عملك ولتكونن من الخاسرين.
And it was indeed revealed to you and to those before you that, O listener, if you had ascribed a partner to Allah, so all your good deeds will definitely go to waste, and you will certainly remain in loss.
بل الله فاعبد وكن من الشاكرين.
Rather, worship only Allah and be of the thankful ones.
وما قدر الله حق قدره والأرض جميعا قبضته يوم القيامة والسماوات مطويات بيمينه سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
And they did not value Allah as was His right. And on the day of resurrection, He will roll up all the earths, and the heavens will be rolled up by His power. And exalted is He and high from what they associate with Him.
ونفخ في الصور فصعق من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله ثم نفخ فيه أخرى فإذا هم قيام ينظرون.
And the trumpet will be blown, so everyone in the heavens and everyone in the earth will fall unconscious, except whom Allah wills. It will then be blown again. Thereupon they will get up, staring in astonishment.
وأشرقت الأرض بنور ربها ووضع الكتاب وجيء بالنبيين والشهداء وقضي بينهم بالحق وهم لا يظلمون.
And the earth will shine bright by the light of its Lord, and the book will be kept, and the prophets will be brought, and this prophet, i.e. the beloved Muhammad, and his nation would be witnesses upon them, and it will be judged between them with the truth, and they will not be wronged.
ووفيت كل نفس ما عملت وهو أعلم بما يفعلون.
And every soul will be repaid in full for its deeds, and He knows well what they used to do.
وسيق الذين كفروا إلى جهنم زمرا حتى إذا جاءوها فتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يتلون عليكم آيات ربكم وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا بلى ولكن حقت كلمة العذاب على الكافرين.
And the disbelievers will be driven towards hell in groups until when they will reach it, its gates will be opened, and its guards will say to them, Did the messengers not come to you from amongst you, who used to recite to you the verses of your Lord and warn you of confronting this day? They will say, Yes, why not? i.e., for sure. But the word of punishment was proven accordingly upon the disbelievers.
قيل ادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
It will be said, Enter the gates of hell to remain therein forever. So, what a despicable dwelling for the arrogant.
وسيق الذين اتقوا ربهم إلى الجنة زمرا حتى إذا جاءوها وفتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها سلام عليكم طبتم فادخلوها خالدين.
And the conveyances of those who feared their Lord will be led towards paradise in groups until when they will reach it, its gates will be kept open and its guards will say to them, Salam to you, you have done well, therefore enter paradise to abide forever.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي صدقنا وعده وأورثنا الأرض نتبوأ من الجنة حيث نشاء فنعم أجر العاملين.
And they will say, All praise is due to Allah, who has made His promise with us come true and has made us inheritors of this land to stay in paradise wherever we wish. So, what an excellent reward for the doers of pious deeds.
وترى الملائكة حافين من حول العرش العرش يسبحون بحمد ربهم وقضي بينهم بالحق وقيل الحمد لله رب العالمين.
And you will see the angels gathered around the throne, declaring the purity of their Lord with his praise. And a true judgment will be delivered amongst the people, and it will be said that all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
صدق الله العظيم.